These look delicious. I brought a fork here. Want to give it a try? Over the next couple of minutes, I'll show you how to take a few simple ingredients and turn it into this 1950s updated classic, Green Bean Casserole. This is wonderful. Dine with Devin. Tell me how you're going to make this better in the comments below. Now let's get into it. In a hot pan, melt some butter with chopped garlic, shallots, and bell peppers. Yes, you can substitute onions for the shallots and use your favorite type of bell pepper. This Thanksgiving green bean casserole is easily the best cheesy and creamy green bean casserole. A classic retro recipe from Grandma's kitchen. Simple to make and ready to serve easily. The butter is melting in a warm pan. I am again using Tillamook butter for its superior flavor. Chop the garlic. If you smash it first, it'll taste better as it releases some of the harshness of the oils in the garlic. Move on to the shallot, chop finely, and bell pepper. I'm using a striped bell pepper here, but use whatever you have lying around. Clean the green beans by washing and snapping off the ends and discarding the damaged beans. Green beans aren't beans. Don't let the name confuse you as it's a legume. Believe it or not, there are over 150 variations of green beans around the world. While they are grown everywhere now, where do they originate from? Central and South America, with evidence they were used in Mexico and Peru for thousands of years. Christopher Columbus brought them to the Mediterranean region in 1492, where it spread across the regions. In the USA, the states with the largest production are Florida, New York, and Wisconsin. Now for the cream of mushroom. This can of cream of mushroom keeps it classic. Dorcas Riley created this recipe in 1955 at the Campbell's Soup Company. Mix it in to prepare it for the final steps. Where are we at now? Well, we sauteed the garlic, shallots, and bell in some butter, added some wine and cream of mushroom, now some buttermilk, and season as needed with salt and pepper. Yep, give it a taste. Make sure you taste it to your liking with salt and pepper. More or less is fine. More about the legume. Have you seen purple, yellow, red, or striped peas? While they usually are green, there are many colors, shapes, and sizes. I do want to thank the farmers for crossbreeding the stringy, tough old version to make these tender, delicious legumes. Okay, put the beans in a baking pot thingy and top it with the sauce. Work the sauce into the beans, but leave the nice layer of sauce on top. Finish it with a Tillamook cheddar and some crushed crackers and bake. In a moment when they are done, it will no longer fit its botanical name, Phaceolus vulgaris, but a wonderful, creamy mess of firm green beans and cheesy and crunchy top. Did you like that video so far? Now let's go ahead and pull those green beans out. They just finished in the oven. Let's get them. Give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below, how you made this turn out, because it's delicious. And then if you want to see the next part of this entire dinner, look and click on this video right up here. Thank you.